My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm blinded by the sunshine in your eyes. Not thinking twice, am I this dumb? Although I know you're all I want. How could I crave something so bad? My sweaty palms reveal a warning I should hear, but I don't care, you drive me mad. I'll ignore the truth and run to you. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. And suddenly I'm by your side, 'cause I'm out of things to explain how I feel. It's better to enjoy the ride. I feel at home, never alone. My friends are asking me if I've left the planet, 'cause I seem high all the time. They think I'm in a film noir, but my impression is that I'm in heaven. So we could drive away. You'll hear me say everything is gonna be okay. I don't need nobody else. Obsessed with you, try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself. Try to stop me, but I'm under your spell. Can't help myself.
it's your girl Celamarr. First of all, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for showing up to my workouts, trusting me with your fitness journey, and supporting this channel. It truly means everything to me, and I'm so happy for you to be here. Because of you, I've been able to turn this passion into something special, and I just wanted to create something that brings us even closer together. So I am officially launching Cela Club. Cela Club is my members only community for only $4.99 a month, and it comes with some amazing perks. As a member, you'll get ad-free workouts so that you can stay locked in without zero interruptions. You'll get one exclusive workout that only my members will be getting once a week, and you'll get early access to future workout challenges. Just saying, we have a 7-day workout challenge coming really soon. We'll also have bonus content and extra motivation exclusively for you guys. If you've ever been mid-workout and an ad popped up, this is literally for you and the best solution that you guys can have. Cela Club is for the girls who are serious about being consistent, who want more structure, and want to be a part of an inner circle. It's less than a coffee a month, but it helps me continue to create free workouts for millions of women online while giving you premium uninterrupted content. If you're ready to level up, click join down below and become part of the Cela Club family. I love you guys so much, and I'm so excited for the future. I have so much content and workouts and challenges planned for you guys, so definitely join so you get all the latest updates.
Oh, are you feeling me?